Yo, what is Gucci YouTube? This is your favorite back again, guys, with another mega. Hey, I know we've been off, guys. We've been off for the longest time, but I've been trading, guys. I've been busy with important things. Let's get into the video, guys. Today we're going to be analyzing NAS 100, German 30, and gold, right? So NAS 100, German 30, and gold. Before we get into analyzing NAS 100 and German 30 and gold, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Like literally, pause the video, hit the subscribe button, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. Like this video, comment on this video, anything, guys. As long as it's positive, comment, helping out the channel, anything. So you guys know, let's start off by allocating the highest point, right? Let's start by allocating the highest point. Yeah, guys. Let's start by allocating the highest point. Let's start by allocating the lowest point, right? So the highest point, lowest point, right? So for look, guys, NAS 100 has been buying for the longest time, and if you guys could be seeing what NAS how it's moving, let me show you guys how NAS has been moving, right? So it's a series of going up, pull back, going up, pull back, and now it's going up. What do you think the market is going to do here? The market is obviously going to give us a pullback and do what, guys? Retest that high and go up. So that's my total overall bias, right? Total overall bias, right? So then obviously we now reset the chart again and we go to the 1 hour time frame. We don't need to make much zones. There isn't much to work with when it comes to NAS 100 because the market is at a peak high, right? So what can I see here, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, I can see that the market now, the buyers are dying out because look how now the bears are taking control, right? So now look how weak the buyers are pushing up. So it means anytime now the market is gonna fall, right? Anytime now the market is gonna fall. Sorry for that. So we're gonna go to the 30-minute time frame as we already see, as we've already seen what's gonna happen on the 1 hour time frame, and then now here we have what we call a resistance, right? So after we highlight that resistance, I have to mute these notifications. After we thingy key that resistance, what we're now gonna do is we are gonna go to the 15-minute time frame, guys. It's just top-down analysis. What can you see again here? What confirmation do you have? You have confirmation that you can see here that the market is pulling up very scarred to the upside. Like it's so hard for you to buy, right? So from there again, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your fifth touch gonna be. What you're gonna do there, you're gonna just what? Take your cells. But I won't tell you, advise you to take your cells down, advise you to take your cells here. So if you want to take sales in an uptrend, it's also fine, but it's risky, right? It's risky, but then no one said you shouldn't. It's just risk, right? And then obviously, on the 4 hour, what were we looking for? We're looking for that what we call the pullback, right? So the market went up, pulled back, went up. We're expecting a pullback to buy, right? So going back to the 15 minutes time frame, there you have it. NAS 100. I am looking for selling opportunities. Let's now move to gold, guys. Gold. We move to the H4 time frame. So gold, we can actually start from the daily because the price looks nice on gold. What can you see here, guys? Without even analyzing, without doing anything, we can already see that the market is doing what? Head and shoulder, head and shoulder. So look here, corrective, corrective to push up impulsively to create the what? The shoulder. So now do we have to wait for what? We have to go into the other time frames. But first, before we do that, let's highlight the highest point, right? Lowest point. That's how we do it. And then obviously maybe your volatile zone, the volatile zone, then we go to the H4, guys. Moving to the H4, we're gonna reset the chart again. What can we see on the H4? The market gave us how many touches? 1, 2, 3 on that thing. So it's most likely to sell. Why? It's even made liquidity here. It made like a liquidity what there. So there's liquidity sitting there, guys. There's liquidity sitting right over there. What are we gonna do now? So we have the 4 hour time frame giving us that, right? We're gonna just have our trend line, right? We're gonna have our trend line pushing to the upside. I think I tried buying gold yesterday on this third touch and it eliminated me on one of, I think this was the manipulation, and then obviously I went out. I was trading a small account. Yeah, guys. So this is how we do it. There you go. So we have that channel, right? So what do we call that? We call it um what do we call it? I think they call it like distribution, accumulation, and then distribution. I don't know. I think that's what they call it, but I call it impulse correction impulse. So we go again to the 1 hour time frame, right? So 1 hour time frame, what can we see? Obviously, I can see that there was a fair value gap here. The market filled that fair value gap. And then also here we do have supply. So that's a supply zone. The market broke this low, which is the break of structure supply. So you can see also going down to the 30-minute time frame, you can see how the buyers, they died out. Actually, you can just see them on the 1 hour time frame. Look how the buyers are dying out. And this is also a candlestick confirmation. So boom, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, what do you see, right? So in the 15 minutes, I'm looking for, so I'm just going to take the zone away, guys. I'm just going to take the zone. I know the market is now in supply. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this zone. I'm going to highlight this zone right over here. And after highlighting that zone, what do I want the market to do? I obviously just pull my trend line there. This is now just you looking for an entry, right? You already saw that the market has to sell, but you can't sell here where it is. It still has to do what it has to do. So now you playing it out your way. So we want the market to sell, break out that trend line, retest, and then we dropping. You can take it to here, or you can take it to where? You can take it to there, Josie. So that's how you do it, guys. We want the market to melt. So where are we gonna take our entries? Right over there, right? Stop loss is just above there. This is gold. You need to have a proper stop loss. Good. 1:5 risk to reward ain't that good, guys. Moving to German 30, which is our last pair, guys. Before I analyze this pair, guys, make sure you subscribe. Click the link below to join the Free Signals channel, guys. Free signals all day, every day. 98% accurate because we don't send a lot. We just send few. So that's why I'm saying 98%. Don't get me wrong. Let's go. Let's analyze German 30. So German 30, we reset the chart. Think German 30 also we can push to the daily. It has proper price. It has proper price. So today I'm not going to be analyzing US 30, guys, mainly because I'm not trading US 30 today. So we've just killed German 30 on the buy, the opening of this buy. We've killed it on the free signal, guys. That's what I'm saying. Join the free signal where I send setups and all that. So there we go, guys. So then we move to the H4 time frame. Move to the H4 time frame. What can we see, guys? Before I go there, what can we see here? We can see what? We can see the market giving us impulse correction, impulse. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple. Now, we know that the market is in an uptrend, but we also do have to keep in mind that the market also gives us reversals, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder has already been created. What are we expecting? A drop. So that buy that we took in the morning was a risky buy. But nonetheless, guys, that's how we do it. We have to take risks in life. So what do we have here? We have liquidity sitting right over here. There's liquidity there. And then what are we looking for? We're looking for the market just to fill at least this gap, right? This one right here, filling that gap, right? And also, if you can check, that's a resistance zone, right? The market is like, if I can pull it, I can pull it more furthermore, guys. Like the market has a lot of touches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the ninth touch, and this is the what? The fair value gap, right? Moving to the 1 hour time frame, guys. Moving to the 1 hour time frame. Moving to the 1 hour time frame, we can push this one up to the top side. Just there. So we caught it based on the double bottom. Double bottom closed the bullish engulfing candlestick. We took our buy right there, and now the market is there, right? But I closed somewhere here because I'm trading with the best broker, Trade 245, and they give me like big profits with a small amount of pips. So if you want to trade with that broker, make sure you click the link below in the description, video description, and it'll take you right to the thing. Create your account, verify deposit, make money, withdraw, get your money in 1 hour, guys. That's how fast the broker is. So, okay, what can I see here? So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to change the view of this thing, right? I'm going to change the view of this thing. Just watch, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, that's what we're going to do. So this is the latest. This is the latest that we got on this thing. The latest. That's the latest fair value gap. Right? That's where we're closing it off. So we're looking for the market to cover at least what? You're looking for the market to cover at least what? At least 50% of this fair value gap, right? 50%, at least, guys, at least 50% of that fair value gap. So right there. Right there. We're looking for it to cover at least that. and then we can take our selling opportunities right when the market comes at least to break this candlestick. We can take it and take it there, which will give us a 1:3, guys, proper one. So German 30, we're looking for a sell. Nas 100, we're looking for a sell. Gold, we're looking for a, was that a sell? I think, yeah, sell. So make sure you guys take this screenshot if you can. And then also you can screenshot and post this on Instagram and tag me, guys. My username is uncle.nasdaq, so we can make more people aware of this free YouTube channel. I'm gonna be dropping this whole month, guys. So make sure you subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on another video. Thank you.